Yeah, good morning. Is the board is clear? Board clear? Is it visible to you? Board clear? Is it visible to you? Board clear? Is it visible to you? Board clear? Good morning, students. Is the board visible to you? Is it clear? Okay. Good morning. Little bit blur. Let me see. Yeah. Is it okay now? Okay. So can I start, children? Okay. Thank you. Mahaganadhipataye Namaः. Yes, children. Good morning. Yesterday, because of network issues, I could not complete the class properly. So today, I think, okay, thank you. Is it clear? Okay, I think I'm getting, it is fine, very clear. Okay, thank you. Now, there is a problem on the board, you can see. Given sixth term of AP is 0, we need to prove that 33rd term is 3 times the 15th term. 33rd term is 3 times the 15th term. That is what you have to prove. Okay. So, sixth term is given 0. That means A plus 5D is 0. Then A is equal to negative 5D. Keep this one aside. Okay. Now, take this RA means required to prove part. A33 means A plus 32D. And we know A is negative 5D. Insert there negative 5D plus 32D, which is 27D. So A33 we got negative 27D. Now say take this one, this part. 3 into A15 means A plus 14D, which is equal to 3 into A is negative 5D. Negative 5D plus 14D, 3 into 9D, which is 27D. Now, A33 and the 33rd term we got 27D, and 3 times of A15, that is also we got same 27D. That means what we can conclude? A33 equals to 3 times of A15. 3 times of A15. That is what we have to understand. Is it clear? Is again camera. Did you understand? Okay. So can I move to the next one? Next one. Next question. Pth term of AP is Q and Qth term is P. Prove that P plus Qth term is 0. P plus Qth term is 0. We need to prove this. P plus Qth term is 0. P plus Qth term is nothing but A plus P plus Q, P plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 0. This is required to prove. P plus Q term means A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 0. That is what we have to prove. What is given? P term is Q, Q term is P. Understand, children? Problem. Did you understand the problem? Children. I need answers. Did you understand the problem? Okay. Now, Pth term A plus P minus 1 into D is Q. A plus Q minus 1 into D is P. Now, we got two equations. Subtract both the equations. A and A get cancelled. A minus A 0. P minus 1 minus Q minus 1 times of D is equal to Q minus P. P minus 1D minus Q minus 1D. So I took D common. P minus 1 minus Q minus 1 times D is equal to Q minus P. Now simplify this. P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 times of D is equal to Q minus P. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. P minus 2 times of D is equal to Q minus P. Then D is equal to Q minus P by P minus Q. You will get here, this is Q minus P. This is P minus Q. So D will be negative 1. D will be negative 1. Understand? Q minus P by P minus Q, then D will be negative 1. Now we need to find out A also now. A. What is A? So substitute D value either in this equation or in this equation. A plus P minus 1 into D we got negative 1 is equal to Q. Simplify this. A minus P plus 1 is equal to Q. A is equal to Q plus P minus 1. A is equal to Q plus P minus 1. Now we got D value and we got A value. Now we are going to find out, we are going to prove that A P plus Q is 0. Now, substitute here A. In the place of A we can write this one. Is that right? Q plus P minus 1 plus P plus Q minus 1 into D is negative 1. Simplify this. Q plus P minus 1. Multiply this minus 1. Minus P minus Q plus 1. Q QQ get cancelled, PP get cancelled, minus 1 plus cancelled. Answer is 0. So APQ plus 1 is 0. So this is what we have to understand. Given pth term is Q, qth term is P. And we need to prove AP plus Q is 0. That means A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D is 0. So from the given equations, we need to find out A value and P value. AP means A plus P minus 1 into D, which is Q. AQ means A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P, which is P. So after simplifying, I got D minus 1, and substituting this minus 1 in the first equation, what I got? A as Q plus P minus 1. Now, inserting A value over here, D value over here, I got 0 as the answer. That means AP plus Q is 0. AP plus Q is 0. Understand, children? Now, next question. Next question. Next. Yeah. Suppose there are three numbers A, B, C are in AP. If they are in AP, okay na? What relation exists between these three numbers? That is what we have to observe. Very, very important concept. Suppose there are three numbers A, B, C which are in AP. So what relation exists between these three numbers? Right. Since they are in AP, their common difference must be same, na? That means B minus A is the common difference. C minus B is the difference. Is that right? B minus A and C minus B, that is the common difference. If they are same, means if they are equal, common difference is equal, given A, B, C are in AP, so common difference is same. B minus A is equal to C minus B. Now see here, B plus B is equal to C plus A, then 2B is equal to C plus A, B is equal to C plus A by 2, B is equal to C plus A by 2. That means the middle term, when three terms are in AP, the middle term is the arithmetic mean of first and last term. That is what you have to understand, children. Middle term is the arithmetic mean of first and last terms. You can observe this one in each and every AP. Suppose 2, 4, 6. I think these are in AP. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay na? Now, see. 4 is equal to, middle one, 4 is equal to 2 plus 6 by 2. Is that right or wrong? So, that is what you have to observe. The middle one is the arithmetic mean of the remaining 2. That is what you have to understand. Okay na? Keep this concept in the mind. In the same way, now you need to observe, or you need to note down three important points over here. There are some problems which are related to AP, they'll give the problems like if there are 3 numbers which are in AP, there are 4 numbers which are in AP, there are 5 numbers which are in AP, like that they used to give the problems. Okay na? So what you have to understand is here, we need to assign those either 3 numbers or 4 numbers or 5 numbers in a different way, because it is saying that they are in AP. We need to take them as in a different way so that the problem can be solved in an easy way. The problem can be solved in an easy way. Suppose the problem is talking about 3 numbers. The problem is talking about 3 numbers. So then you have to take those 3 numbers like this: A minus D, A plus D. You can see that these 3 are in AP. And the problem is talking about 3 numbers which are in AP. The problem is talking about 3 numbers which are in AP. So we have to take 3 numbers like this. Suppose the problem is talking about 4 numbers. Then you have to take like this: A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Children, note it down. If the problem is talking about 4 numbers which are in AP, you have to take those 4 numbers like this. Okay na? Next, capital R, Ruchir 90, Ruchir at the rate 90. Okay, next, if the problem is talking about 5 numbers, you have to take like this: A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus A, A plus D, A plus 2D. If the problem is talking about 5 numbers which are in AP, you have to take 5 numbers like this. Okay na? Kindly note down this pattern. Once again I am telling you, if there is a problem about 3 numbers which are in AP, you need to take 3 numbers like this. Okay na? If the problem is talking about 4 numbers which are in AP, you have to take like this. If the problem is about 5 numbers which are in AP, we need to take like this. Children, note down this. So, sir, why we have to take 3 numbers? I can take like this. If it is 4 numbers, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, I take. And 5 numbers, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, like that I take. So if I take like that, that I will not get the solution properly. If you say that, I will say yes, you will get the solution. But it will take more time. Means time consuming one. Tedious work as well as time consuming one. Understand, children? So, my suggestion is that if you take the numbers 3 like this, 4 like this, 5 like this, your problem will be done within seconds, within 2-3 minutes. 2-3 minutes. So we'll go ahead and problems now basing on these models. Now, see, first problem. Determine K if 3K minus 2, comma 4K minus 6, K plus 2 are in AP. Find the value of K. Find the value of K if 3K minus 2, 4K plus 6, K plus 2 are in AP. If this is the problem. Okay, children, how to find out K? So, is the board is clear, children? Is the board is clear? I need answers. Children, if the board is clear. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now, as I told you in the beginning of the class, when 3 numbers are in AP, the middle one is the arithmetic mean of the remaining two. I told you in the beginning, if three numbers are in AP, the middle one is the arithmetic mean of the remaining two. So I applied it. Again I am saying, if A comma B comma C are in AP, then B is equal to A plus C by 2. This formula I am using. Okay na? Now simplify this. Simplify this. Yeah. 4k minus 6 into 2. This 2 will come this side. 3k plus k. 4k plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So 4k. Now simplify. 8k minus 12 is equal to 4k. 8k minus 4k is equal to 12. 4k 12. K is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. Aruna? K is equal to 3. 4k minus 6 is equal to 2k. You can do like that also. No problem. K is equal to 3. Now you can observe 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 5. So 7, 6, 5 are the three numbers which are in AP. Understand, children? Now, the next one. Next one. Yeah. A minus B whole square, A square plus B square, A plus B whole square are in AP. We have to prove that. Prove that. ఎప్పుడన్నా మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా ఇది? ఎప్పుడన్నా మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? A minus B whole square, A square plus B square, A plus B whole square. AP లో ఉంది. ఉన్నాయని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా ఆలోచించారా ఇలాగా? రైట్. 2AB, D 2AB. Why D? Why is it necessary to find out D? Let's put D. D కనుక్కోవడం అవసరమా? మనం ఏ రూల్ చెప్పుకున్నాం? మిడిల్ టర్మ్. Middle term is equal to arithmetic mean of these two. అయితే AP లో ఉన్నట్టేగా? అర్థమవుతుందా? Middle term is equal to arithmetic mean of these two. అయితే AP లో ఉన్నట్టేగా? So what is middle term? This one. Now we need to see arithmetic mean of first and this one is equal to this one, then we can say that these three are in AP. These three are in AP. That is the idea. Now simplify this. A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB by 2. Minus 2AB plus 2AB cancel. 2A square plus 2B square by 2. Take 2 common. 2 cancel. What is remaining? What is remaining? A square plus B square, which is same as the middle term. Which is same as the middle term. Understand, children? Understand? So we can say that A minus B whole square, A square plus B square, A plus B whole square are in AP. They are in AP. Because middle term is equal to arithmetic mean of first and the last term. Right. Next question. Next question. Yeah. Divide 24 into 3 parts such that they are in AP and their product is 440. You need to divide 24 into 3 parts. A1, A2, A3. Okay? And their product A1 into A2 into A3 is equal to 440. Okay na? We need to divide 24 into 3 terms. And these 3 terms are in AP. These 3 terms are in AP. And their product is 440. This is the question. Okay children, how to do this? నేను మీకు ఇందాకే చెప్పాను beginning లో. What I told you? Problems basing on 3 terms. Problems basing on 3 terms. You have to take 3 terms like this. A minus D, A plus D. Because they are in AP. They are in AP. Okay na? You need to take like this. Now, 24, we need to divide it into 3 terms such that they are in AP. That means sum of these 3 terms is 24. Is that right or wrong? And product of these 3 terms is 440. Sum of these 3 terms is 24. Product of these 3 terms is 440. We need to find out those 3 terms. Okay na? Now, simplify this. dt get cancelled. 3a 24, a 8. చూడసారా ఇలా తీసుకోవడం వల్ల ఏ వాల్యూ టక్కన వచ్చేసింది చూసారా ఇంకా మనం d ఒకటి కనుక్కుంటే సరిపోతుంది ఏ వచ్చేసింది ఇంకా మనం d ఒకటి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది నా సో ఇలా తీసుకోవడం వల్ల మనకి మనం ఇది ఉపయోగం అన్నమాట వెంటనే మనం విల్ గెట్ a immediately we'll get a now simplify this. A minus d, a plus d, a square minus b square into a 440. A we have 8 na, a square ante 64 minus b square into a is 440. 64 minus b square is equal to 440 by 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So 64 minus d square is equal to 55. Minus d square is equal to 55 minus 64. Minus d square is equal to minus 9. D square is 9. D is plus or minus 3. That is what you have to take. D is plus or minus 5. Abdeli A8 ఎప్పుడో వచ్చేసింది Abdeli we got A8 long before. Now we are trying for D. Here A minus D, A plus D is there. A minus D, A plus D. Do it as A square minus D square and substitute A value. Substitute A value. 64 minus D square into 8. We got D as plus or minus 3. Now we need to write the 3 terms. If D is positive 3, 8 minus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, which is 8, 5, 8, 11. 5, 8, 11 are the three terms that are in AP and their sum is 24. 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 11, 24. Now, what happens if D is minus 3? If D is minus 3, so 8 minus of minus 3, 8 plus of minus 3. So what will get here? 11, 8, 5. Same numbers, you will get same numbers. You will get same numbers. Okay, na? We need to consider D plus or minus 9. Don't take D is equal to 3. D 3 తీసుకోకూడదు, you have to take plus or minus 3. I think you need to write the cases. What happens if D is 3? Numbers are 5, 8, 11. What happens if D is minus 3? Numbers are 11, 8, 5. Same. Okay, na? Understand, children? Did you understand? Not getting the answers? I did not last part. D square is 9. D is plus or minus 3. Now you need to substitute values. Now you need to find values. Na? A minus D, A plus D. A8, D3. A8, D3 అయితే 8 minus 3, 8, 8 plus 3. ఒకవేళ D minus 3 అయితే A minus D, A plus D. నువ్వు ఎలా చేసినా నీ వాల్యూస్ సేమే వస్తాయి. Okay? Go ahead to the next part. Next question. Next question. Yeah. Yeah. The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP అన్నాడు. Angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? What we have to do now? Anyone? Angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. This is the question. So here we need to think something. Quadrilateral. How many angles will be there in a quadrilateral? 4 angles will be there. And those 4 angles are in AP. They are in AP. Okay na? Then their common difference is given 10. Common difference is given 10. Okay na? Now quadrilateral is, angles in a quadrilateral is 4. That means the problem is talking about 4 numbers which are in AP. So what we have to let the angles be? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. You have to take like this. 4 angles. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. You have to take like that. They are in AP, na? Because it is given they are in AP. Now we know that sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Now if you see, minus 3D plus 3D cancel, minus D plus D cancel, so 4A is 360. A is 90. We got A and we have D. We got A and we have D. Can we tell all the 4 angles? Children? Then what are the 4 angles? Past. What are the 4 angles? Anyone? What are the four angles? No one? Not able to listen to me clearly? What are the four angles? $75, $85, $95, $105. Hamsini, how? D is given 10 na Hamsini. D given 10 na. How we get 1 na 7 5 at the end? A minus 3D. A minus D. A plus D. A plus 3D. इधर है 90 minus 30. 90 minus 10. 90 plus 10. 90 plus 30. So 60. A minus 3D, 60, 80, 110, 120. Is this right? 100. Oh, common difference 10 in each side. Okay. Common difference 10 and each side. We got A 90. Then why we have to use this? 90. Common difference 10. 90, 100, 110, 120. 90, 100, 110, 120. 90, 100, 110, 120. So are we getting 360 here? 300, 330, more than 360, na? Okay. A minus 3D, A, D10. Okay, A minus 3D, which is 60. A minus 3D, 300, 30, 60. A minus D ante 80, 60, 80. 100. 60, 80, 100, 120. These are the angles. 60, 80, 100, 120. Yeah. 60, 80, 100, 120. So these are the four angles which are in AP. But D is given 10. Na? But you can observe D is, we are getting over here 20. That means we have done something wrong in this problem. By taking A minus D, A plus D like that. So rather than this one, we got a confusion over here. We can take directly D is given 10, na? D given 10. Let A1 be X, A2 X plus 10, A3 X plus 20, A4 X plus 30. If we take like that, we are not getting the problem properly because D is given 10, the condition. I didn't see that particularly. Common difference, okay. X10, X plus 10, X plus 20, X plus 30. Meaning that let me say, okay. So X plus 10 plus X plus 20 plus X plus 30 is 360. 60. 4x plus 60 is 360. Papa Hamsini correct. 4x is equal to 300. X is equal to 75. So 75, 85, 95, 105. Hamsini నువ్వే కరెక్ట్, నేనే రాంగ్. నేనైతే 10 గురించి సరిగ్గా ఆలోచించాలి. నేను 4 టర్మ్స్ అనగానే వెంటనే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోయాను. అక్కడ హింట్ ఇచ్చాడు కానీ నేను హింట్ చూడకుండా 4 టర్మ్స్ కదా అని నేను అట్లా వెళ్ళిపోయాను. ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో let the first term is x, second term is common difference is given 10 na, x plus 10, third term x plus 20, fourth term x plus 30 because the difference must be 10. So sum of interior angles is 360. So 4x plus 60, so 4x is 300, x is 75. So since common difference is 10, 75, 85, 95 and 105. Okay na? Okay. Next question. तो ముందు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ రాంగ్ వచ్చింది ఇట్లా. तो ముందు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ దేంట్లో అది ఏ టాపిక్ లో అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీలో ఇంట్రడక్షన్ టు ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీలో ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ఇది ఫైండ్ ద 4 నంబర్స్ whose sum is 28, a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 is 28, and the sum of whose squares is 216. And a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square plus a4 square is 216. Find the 4 numbers. Find the 4 numbers which are in AP whose sum is 28 and sum of whose squares is 216. This question. Okay. Now here we need to take like that. A1 a minus 3d, a2 a minus d, a3 a plus d, a4 a plus 3d. Okay. Now add them. A minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d is 28. 4a 28, a 7. We got a 7. Now sum of whose squares is given like this. That means a minus 3d whole square plus a minus d whole square plus a plus d whole square plus a plus 3d whole square is 216. And the children ikkada meeru we already discussed about this question. When we discussed this, okay, is this one done? Yesterday నేను చెప్పలేదే. I didn't explain this one yesterday in the first class. Yesterday I discussed this. No? ఫస్ట్ టైం ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్లో ఏపీ చెప్పానా నేను? ఓహో అప్పుడా? ఓకే, ఇంకోసారి వినండి. ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి? చాలా మంది వినుంటారుగా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నువ్వు ఈ రూల్ చూసుకోండి. a ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ a మైనస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ 2 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్. ఈ రూల్ అప్లై చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. a ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ a మైనస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఈ రూల్ అప్లై చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? So rearranging the terms, a minus 3d whole square plus a plus 3d whole square, a plus d whole square plus a minus d whole square is equal to 216. So ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయొచ్చు 2 times of a square plus 9d square. ఇక్కడ 2 times of a square plus d square is equal to 216. Children, you got a value, substitute a value and simplify, you will get d value. You got a7, substitute over here in the place of a and simplify, you will get d value. Okay, right? Okay, I am stopping over here only if it is discussed. Next one. Yeah, నేను పొరపాటు పెట్టాను ప్రాబ్లం. Next question. A7b A7b 23c are in AP. Find ABC. Idea, children? A7b 23c are in AP. They are in AP. So how to find out this? All these 5 terms are in AP. All these 5 terms are in AP. How to find out ABC? ఇందాక చెప్పుకున్నామే. ఇందాకే చెప్పాను ఎట్లాగా చూడండి ఇప్పుడు. B is the middle term of these two. So B is arithmetic mean of 7 and 23. 30 by 2, 15. So B I got 15. Okay na? Now next. So now what it becomes? A7, 15, 23, C. Now it becomes, since we got B value, now this pattern becomes like this. Now how to find out AC? A and C. Now this one over here. 7 is arithmetic mean of A and 15. 7 is arithmetic mean of A and 15. Or you can observe 14. A1 8 అవుతుంది. So 8. A ఎంత అవుతుంది? 14 is equal to A plus 15. A is equal to -1. A is equal to -1. Next. So -1, 7, 15, 23. What about C? What about C? Add 8 because you can observe D is 8. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. 23 plus 8, 31. Okay na? అసలు ఇక్కడే చెప్పేయచ్చు మన ఇది కూడా అవసరం. This is also not. Just A1 is equal to A2 minus D. A1 is equal to A2 minus D. A2 how much? 7, D 8. So A1 is equal to -1. అలా చేసేసేయచ్చు. అలా కూడా చేసేసేయచ్చు. ఓకేనా? అర్థమెటిక్ మీనే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి కదా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఓకే. Now what is the arithmetic mean of 13 and 9? 19. What is the arithmetic mean of 13 and 19? Can anyone say? What is the arithmetic mean of? Arithmetic mean of, there is no arithmetic mean. What is the arithmetic mean of 13 and 19? 16, correct. 13 plus means, let it be B. B is the arithmetic mean of 13 and 19. B is equal to 13 plus 19 by 2. 32 by 2. 16. So 16 is the arithmetic mean of 13 and 19. And we can observe that 13, 16, 19, those three are in AP. They are in AP. Now, children, we are moving ahead with sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression. Suppose a pattern is in AP. A pattern is in AP. A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, AN. And I want to add all the terms in AP. The result is known as Sn. The result is known as Sn. And we need to read it as sum to first n terms of an arithmetic progression if it is in AP. Okay, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus so on plus AN is known as Sn, and it is read as sum to n terms of first n terms. Sum to first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, na? And to find that, there is a formula, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, when we know first term, number of terms and a common difference. When we know first term, common difference and a number of terms in the AP. Okay. Now, there is an alternative for this. When we know number of terms, first term and last term. When we know number of terms, first term and last term, is it okay now? Terms, first term and the last term. Okay, na? You should be clear in that. Right. ఇక్కడ ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్తా చూడండి. Prove that 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus so on plus x is equal to 1326. This is given. Okay, this is given. 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus so on plus x is equal to 136. We need to find out x. We need to find out x. What to do now? what to do? What is known here? What is known? We know Sn, correct? We know A, D, Sn. A తెలుసు, D తెలుసు, Sn తెలుసు, అంతే అంతే. అవునా? ఓన్లీ ADSN, AN, కరెక్ట్. AN కూడా తెలుసు. We know, but we don't know N. We don't know N also. N కూడా తెలియదు. సో ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? What to do? What is A? 1. What is D? 4. What is AN? X. So A plus n minus 1 into D is X. Substitute the values. 1 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to X. n minus 1 into 4 is equal to x minus 1. n minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 minus by 4, sorry, by 4. Then n is equal to x minus 1 by 4 plus 1. How much it will be? How much it will be? X minus 1 plus 4 by 4. That means x plus 3 by 4. We got n value also. We got n value also. We got n. We got A. We got AN. And we got Sn. Just we need to find out x. We need to find out x. How? n by 2 into A plus AN is equal to Sn. This is the formula. Now substitute the values. N is x plus 3 by 4. That means n by 2 means x plus 3 by 8. If n is x plus 3 by 4, n is x plus 3 by 4, n by 2 is x plus 3 by 8. A 1 AN x is equal to Sn 1326. Now simplify. X plus 1 into x plus 3 by 8 is equal to 1326. Children, simplify and tell me the answer. Simplify and tell me the answer. I am giving you 2 minutes time. You simplify, tell me the answer. X square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 8 into 1326. X square plus 4x plus 3 minus 8 into 1326, how much? Eight into 1326, how much? Thirteen 26 into 8. Eight 6 are 48. 16 20. 24 26. 10608 is equal to 0. So x square plus 4x minus 10605 is equal to 0. Now you need to take prime factorization for 10605. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 1s are. Now 3 table. 707. 7 table. 101. 15 sevens are. 15 sevens are. 105. 105 minus 101. 4. So x square plus 105x minus 101x minus 10605 is equal to 0. Take x common. X plus 105 minus 101 common. X plus how many times? 105 times, So x minus 101, x plus 105 is equal to 0. అంటే x is equal to 101 అవ్వచ్చు లేదా x is equal to negative 105 అవ్వచ్చు. కానీ నెగటివ్ అవ్వదు కదా లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ నెగటివ్ అవ్వదు కదా, ఎందుకని ఇది పాజిటివ్ AP కదా, this is positive AP. So x is 101 only. It will not be negative 105. 105 avadu Kaushik. 105 avadu. 105 negative 105. We are getting negative 105, not 105. Kaushik. So x is only 101. Okay na? So the prime factorization, splitting the middle term using as n cannot be in negatives, right? So now we are in Sn. There are many problems which are tough and important. One problem that she asked, that Sanvi is there today? Sanvi is there? Sanvi, are you there in the class? No? Yeah, okay. You asked me a doubt in AP that I tell you. Can I explain it now? Yes. You got the answer already. Even though I'll explain it once again. Kindly listen to that. That is the last problem for today. If the ratio of sum of first n terms of two APs is 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Sn by Sn, two APs. Sum of their n terms is 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. We need to find out their ratio of their 9 terms. Sum of 9 terms. We need to find out the ratio of their ratio of their ninth terms, not sum of ninth terms. అంటే మీకు ఏం కావాలంటే a9 by a9 కావాలి, a9 by a9. Typical problem, important model. We have two APs, Sn of one AP is 7n plus 1, second AP is 4n plus 27. Their ratio is given 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. We need to find out ratio of their ninth terms. Right. So, ninth term ratio ante a plus a1 అన్నాలి. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏమన్నాం మనం, x అన్నాం దీంట్లో, x plus 8d t1 అన్నాం. ఇక్కడ y plus 8d2, because maybe common difference also say different, same, not different, not same, different. So we need to find out this one. I am taking the first term of this AP is x and first term of this AP is y. So ninth term is x plus 8d, y plus 8d. Instead of d I am taking it as d1 d2. Okay? Now see here. Sn of this AP is n by 2 into 2a. I took a as x plus n minus 1 into d is d1. Is that right? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d2 is given as 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. This is given. Okay na? Okay. Now n by 2 cancel. n by 2 cancel. What is remaining? 2x plus n minus 1 into d1, 2y plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Okay. Now what I will do is, I will divide the numerator and denominator with 2 on both sides. I will divide the numerator and denominator with 2 on both sides. Okay na? So what happened here? This is cancel, these two cancel, and this one also cancel. What is remaining? X plus n minus 1 by 2 into d1 by y plus n minus 1 by 2 into d2 is equal to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Okay na? X plus n minus 1 by 2 into d1 by y plus 7n minus 1 by 2 into d2 is equal to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటి చూడండి ఒకసారి. What we have to find out? What we have to find out, children? X plus 8d1. మనకి ఏమిటి వచ్చింది? X plus n minus 1 by 2 d1. X plus n minus 1 by 2 d1 వచ్చింది మనకి. మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది x plus 8d1. అంటే instead of this, if 8 is there now our problem is done. Instead of this, if 8 is there now the problem is done. అంటే n minus 1 by 2 ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 8 అవ్వాలి. n minus 1 by 2 జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. We need to find out this x plus 8d1 by y plus 8d2. మనకి ఏమిటి వచ్చింది? x plus n minus 1 by 2 d1 by y plus n minus 1 by 2 into d2. We got this and we want this. what is the difference between this one and this one? Children, that is I want. What is the difference between this ratio and this ratio? Only difference is here in the place of n minus 1 by 2, here it is 8. In the place of n minus 1 by 2, here it is 8. Only that is the difference. So I took that. Then n minus 1 is equal to 16, n is equal to 17. Now substitute 17 over here in the place of n here. Substitute 17, x plus 17 minus 1 by 2 into d1 by y plus 17 minus 1 by 2 into d2 is equal to 7 into 17 plus 1 by 4 into 17 plus 27. Simplify that. Simplify that. X plus 17 minus 1, 8, 16, 16 by 2, 8 d1. Y plus 16 by 2, 8 d2 is equal to 17 sevens are. 17 sevens are how much? 17 sevens are. How much it is? 17 sevens are 149. That is 17 sevens are 119. 119 plus 1, 120 by 4 17s are 68. 68 plus 28. 60 28. 68 plus 27. 60 20 80 95. Is it 95? 68 27 95. Simplify that. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are, and this one 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45. So 24 by 19. So the ratio of 8th term, the 9th terms of AP is 24 by 90. This is what you have to understand. Sanvi, you will learn it now in the same manner you learned it or in a different manner? Sanvi, are you there in the class? Sanvi? Yeah. Are you learned in the same manner or in a different manner? Same way. X plus n minus 1 by 2 d1 by y plus n minus 1 by 2 d2. This ratio we got, but we want this one. Then you need to compare these two ratios. What is the difference? Only this one is the difference. N minus 1 by 2 place lo 8 undi. N minus 1 by 2 place lo 8 undi. That one you have to make. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 8. Then n is equal to 17. Okay na? So the next class we will go ahead with this, with arithmetic progression, some more problems. Next coming Saturday. This Saturday was not good. I think today we discussed some good problems, except that quadrilateral one. I didn't see that difference 90 done properly. The first year రాశాను కానీ దాన్ని ఇంకా మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి సరిగ్గా, దానివల్ల ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్గా అక్కడ 4 టర్మ్స్ a - 3d a' - d అలా తీసుకోకూడదు, డైరెక్ట్గా తీసేసుకోవాలి. నేను 4 టర్మ్స్ అనగానే అక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోయాను, అది నాదే పొరపాటుది. ఓకేనా? So thank you. We'll meet on next Saturday. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.